Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sunday. This is Pidre. This channel is based on sharing with us a tips that we need to know about boom and crash. Yesterday video is on boom 1000 and today video is going to be on boom 500. But before we move to that boom 500, let's quickly check what we said yesterday. This is yesterday chart that we analyze. From here we check our day one time frames. We see that our trade is on uptrend, and we come to our 30-minute time frames. We see that, and we talk about yesterday video. If you are a beginner, kindly subscribe to this channel to see more updates. Yesterday video was made when it was here at this hour, at these times, and I told you that there's going to be a chart from like this, then it's going to be up. You see, it's respect the what, the index. So the trade leaders is telling us that I told you yesterday that there's an uptrend that is coming, that is going to be what, that is going to be long. You see, it's going to be what, it's going to be long. But I tell you, before the uptrend there's going to be a downward, and there is going to be a downward trend. You see, from here there's a downward trend, then it's moved up a little bit, there's a downward trend. You see, so from this angle now, let's check what is going to happen before we move to boom 500. You see, if you want to have full explanation of this video, watch the previous video that I released yesterday. You have the full understanding of it. You see, on 15-minute time frame is an uptrend, and on 5-minute time frame is an uptrend. You see, this helped me, this my trend leader helped me to analyze my trade correctly every day. So for us to see, you see, it was running on the what, on a downward trend, and now it's moving on a down. You see, I took the trade. You see, I took the trade, so you can see that. And also before that, I talk about, you see, when he gave me a signal, that's on 10 of this month, on 10 of this February, and I took that trade up to this downside. You see, so now today we are moving on boom 500, which is our main goal for today. Boom 500. I'm going to release a video on boom 500. So what is boom 500 say? As you can see, this is a live account. I'm having a boom for 1000 that is running here. So let's check what is happening on boom 500. You see, boom 500 is telling us that there is there's an uptrend. There's an uptrend. My trend leader, which helped me to analyze my trade daily, he said it's an uptrend. So that means in the next few days, weeks, this trade is going to be an uptrend, and it always favor you if you trade an uptrend this time around. So when we go to our 4 hours time frame, you see there's still an uptrend here. It's moved to this angle and come there also. We are still on uptrend because there's no anything that indicate a downward trend now. So now let's check our 1 hour time frames. Our 1 hour time frames also said we are still on upward trend. You see, okay, let's check our 15-minute time frames. It said we are on upward trend. Upward trend is coming. 15-minute time frames, upward trend is coming. 5 minutes time frames too, upward is what is coming. And then 1 minute time frames, it said upward is coming. Now what are we going to do? We have checked our day one. We know that this trade is an uptrend, trade. Now let's see. So all the minute time frames now are telling me that the trade is an uptrend trade. So now I only use my 15 minutes and my 30 minutes to take my trade, which I'm going to analyze now. You see, this is my 15-minute time frames where I do analyze. You see, an uptrend is coming, so I need to draw out my chart to see if truly I'm going to take this trade. As you can see, yes, that's my first and my first scene, okay, this and this. Okay, let's see what we got here too. So okay, you see now. So since my trend leader is telling me that all the trade now are giving me an uptrend, so this is a great opportunity for you to hammer it big. Okay, so let's go to our 1 minute time frame. As you can see, an uptrend have already beginning. So on 5 minute time frames, it is not yet certain, but it has already begun on what on 1 minute time frame. So now, if you quickly enter this trade in that 1 minute time frames, then you can really boom a lot. So I'm going to enter this trade and see what is going to happen. Maybe I'm going to share it with us tomorrow when I release on crash 1000. I'm going to quickly go into it and check if this trade really favors. So please, if you're a beginner, I want you to trade it with low size, and also I'm going to open an order on it now. I'm going to be buying at 1.00 lot size. You see, let me buy. So let's see what the market is going to be by tomorrow. So so now it's going to come down a little bit, then take up a uptrend. You see, it's going to come down a little bit, then take up a uptrend. You see. So now let's check our 5 minute time frames that I used to use. So the thing is going to be a little down, little, before it take a long buy. You see, it's going to take a long buy. So let's see what is going to happen by this time tomorrow. And don't forget, I'm going to release my crash 1000 video tomorrow. So stay tuned, and this will help you to guide you in every of your analysis every day. And also, you can also try to get this trend leader to explain it more better, and I will explain it more better to you and how it really works. As you can see, my 30 minutes down trend is on uptrend, while my 1 hour also is on downtrend. My 4 hour is on uptrend, and my day one is an uptrend. So uptrend will really favor you this market now. So if you have money inside your this thing, you can easily enter this trade and hope for long term trade. You see, just use the lowest lot size. Thank you very much. So if you are a beginner, please kindly subscribe to this channel and click the button to notify you when I release my next button. Thanks.